Today we're going to show you how to change the in-cabin air filter on a 2019 GMC Acadia. The reason why we're changing this is because we're doing a detail on this vehicle. A lot of cigarette smoke smell. This is the replacement part. We went with the Hepa. Always go with the Hepa, especially for allergens and stuff. And now to get to this, and you just lower the glove compartment, pull that shock, this one in, squeeze a little bit, and then come down. See, it comes right off. Right here is the cabin filter box. It's just a simple T20 torque. Okay, then you got this little tab right here. You're gonna pull that, and then it'll start to articulate out. Now over here, it's just latched around it. See, it's like a little hook that'll just sit on it, and then it clips back in. Anyway, here's the air filter. We pull that out, and yeah, like, see that? Start spreading these fins. Look at this. All the feathers and everything else. All this stuff that's in there. That's what's being recirculated through your vent system, through your HVAC system. This needs to be changed. Here's a new one. Here's your instructions, pretty simple. Basically, you just make sure this little arrow right here, that's facing down. So when it sits in the vehicle, it's gonna be sitting like this. It'll go through this charcoal side first, and there's your clean side. Oop. So there's your clean side. Now let's see the clean side of this one. Grab it, please. It's squished down a little bit.
That's the clean side.
There's your clean side. Here's our clean side. There's your clean side. Remember, airflow down. You go in on a diagonal. And then you turn it, push it right there, and it goes in. Easy peasy. Now here's one thing I like. This one says made in the USA. The other one says made in China. Okay, now we got that on there. Take your little clip. Have it go around this. Then it goes in the slot. Clicks closed. There. Sit these back on it. See, those little hooks. Sits back on it. Flips up. Don't forget to hook this little shock back up. Done. And that is how you change the in-cabin air filter on a 2019 GMC Acadia. Hopefully this video helped you out. If you enjoyed it, hit a thumbs up or subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and don't have too much fun without us.